What do I believe in? I don't think I know anymore. Tell me there's a reason. Was there ever anything more? Have I been afraid to find what I've been looking for? It's all a state of mind. How did I know that everything was broken by design? How beautiful. It's taking me so long to realize. It's all a state of mind. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. My name is Sarah, and we are doing a day in the life with me and my little one. Her name is Reese. Say hi. It's been a while since I've done one of these. The last time I did one, she was 8 months old. She's now almost 18 months. She's like 17, 18 months old. So in the last video, she was like starting to crawl, and now of course she's running around and doing all kinds of toddling. So just for memory's sake, I wanted to go ahead and do another one of these to look back on. And it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day today, so we will definitely be going outside and just doing some stuff around the house that we normally do. Now, I do work during the week, so this is a weekend day in the life video because it just would be impossible to film one of these during the week. So y'all have fun hanging out with us, and I am excited to say this is also a collab with my sweet friend Rachel here on YouTube, and I'm going to have her information down below, and I'm going to go ahead and share a little bit of information about her for you guys. So I'm so excited to introduce you guys to Rachel. She is so sweet. I know y'all will absolutely love her. She's such an amazing mama to her two kiddos, Noelle and Caleb, and she and her husband live in Florida. And she does a lot of daily vlogs on her channel, a lot of motherhood content, and she shares a lot of like mommy tips and tricks. So y'all definitely make sure you go show her some love after you watch this video. For breakfast lately, I've been giving her some pieces of banana, and then I toast up some cinnamon toast. So I'll go ahead and heat that up and get her all set up for breakfast. So while Reese's finishing her breakfast, I just wanted to show you all real quick what I picked up at Target yesterday. I'm super excited. I got this really cute pineapple bubble machine. It was only like $8, you guys. That's not bad. It does need batteries, so I got a pack of AA batteries. I got this 6-pack of little handheld bubbles for the kids whenever they come over, as well as these bubble wands. Now these were only like $1 each. So I thought these would be fun. Reese and I are gonna test these out later today, probably whenever it warms up a little bit later on. So we'll have fun with this. I can't wait. So you wanna go outside? Yay, let's go outside. So nap time's a little bit of a different situation today. This is not a normal nap time routine, but as you could probably tell earlier, her sisters were with us today, and so we had to go ahead and bring them back home, and they live about an hour away, so it's an hour drive to drop them off and an hour back home. Unfortunately, Peter couldn't be with us today, so it's just me and Reese, and she is she's sound asleep. She's been sleeping the whole time, so that's good. So we're just heading back home, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys, well, we are back home from dropping the girls off, and at the door waiting for me was an Old Navy order. I told Peter for my birthday that I wanted some things from Old Navy, and then I also got some Target gift cards. So over the next couple weeks, I'll be doing like an Old Navy Target birthday haul, like a try-on, birthday haul of some clothing items that I got and some other things. So if y'all like those types of videos, definitely be on the lookout for that. And as far as the rest of our evening goes, we're just going to be winding down. Peter should be home from work over the next little bit. I'll just play with Reese, and then I'll start fixing dinner, and then we'll have bath time, and that'll pretty much wrap up our day. So tonight for dinner, I'm making one of the Mediterranean dishes that Peter and I have been enjoying lately. And so definitely be on the lookout. I am putting together a video where I'll be sharing 3 Mediterranean dishes that we have been enjoying, and hopefully I'll have that out within the next week or so.